In this video, we're turning one cauliflower into two bold Mediterranean bowls. We'll pulse half into tabouli, roast to rest, and build one fresh bowl and one hearty one. Both plant-based, fiber-rich, and totally gluten-free. First bowl, cauliflower tabouli with spiced sweet potatoes. The second bowl, cauliflower and chickpea quinoa bowl. Each bowl makes 1 to 2 hearty servings. The chickpea quinoa bowl is around 480 calories for one serving and 240 for two. And the cauliflower tabouli bowl with sweet potatoes is about 460 calories for one servings and 230 for two. As I mentioned, both are gluten-free and full of fiber, healthy fats, and plant-based protein, great for gut health, blood sugar control, and packed with antioxidant and anti-inflammatory ingredients to keep you feeling your best. If you enjoyed these two plant-based dishes, show some love, like, subscribe, and drop a comment below. Let me know which one is your favorite. Which one you're going to make tonight. Craving some more? Check out my other videos for quick, healthy, and tasty ideas. There's always something fresh cooking here. Thank you so much for watching. Can't wait to see you in the next video. Until then, stay healthy and take care.